Okay, I'm going to show you how I did my son-in-law's boutonnieres. This is the flower part of it, the middle part of it. I started out by folding it in triangles 3 times. Trying to get it precise. And then I'm going to trim and try to make it a wavy circle whenever I open the paper back up. Looks like a little ice cream cone now, but I'm going to trim it to be more wavy. And there's what I have so far. I'm opening it up. And I have a wavy circle. Almost looks like a flower. Now I'm going to start anywhere. And I'm just going to make little waves. Just cutting around. Just doing my best to keep it right at 1/4 of an inch in width and just going around the waves. Trimming it off a little bit. And then it gets to the point to where you don't have waves. And in that case, you just keep cutting the paper in a circle and trying to keep it around 1/4 of an inch. That's what I have so far, and now I'm just going to clip off the end. I'm using a quilling tool right here, But you don't have to buy one. You could use a toothpick if you would like. But the quilling tool just comes with all of the quilling supplies there in the craft store. I'm wrapping it around rather tightly, being careful not to break it, not to tear the paper actually. Okay, I'm leaving the end just like that. Now I'm just letting it go. This is a floral pen. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, where the bridal stuff is. I believe it's a His and Hers. And you know, His and Hers goes on sale every other week, and so you can wait until things go on sale to get your supplies if it's His or Hers. I just keep my little flowers on a pillow until I get ready to use them. Just shaking it up just to get it the way I want it. And you can use just about any kind of glue. I'm just using Elmer's school glue right here. It doesn't have to be the Permabond anything, because when you glue paper, you've pretty much glued it. This is a situation where less is more. You try to cover the entire little circle down there, but you don't want to saturate it. Okay, I'm sticking the pen right in the middle of that circle. Pushing it down. And now I am gluing the pin underneath the little pearl so that it'll stay in. And then I just push it on down. Excuse me. Trying to get all of the paper to touch the glue so that it'll dry to the glue. And there you have it. It's a little flower. Now stay tuned for my next video, which will be on the second part of the boutonniere.